Hey guys, my name is Liam and we're here with another NOAM installation video guide. In today's video, we'll show you how to set up your NUTV5 S system. The NUTV5 S is assembled using two gift boxes, the NUTV5 box and the NSub3 box. Let's walk through each one of them and see what's inside. In the NUTV5 box, you will find the HS 4.4 amplifier, LED driver, NBC Bluetooth controller, and a pair of N5 speakers. Please note that depending on the kit you order, the appropriate clamps will be provided for your bar on your machine. Inside the HS 4.4 amplifier box, you will have the HS 4.4 amplifier and mounting screws. Inside the NBC Bluetooth controller box, you will find the NBC Bluetooth controller, 3 mounting plates, flush mount plate, surface mount plate, and the handlebar mount plate, 2 pairs of 10-foot RCA cables, 3M sticker, 4 shrink tubes, and mounting screws. In this box, you will also find your LED driver box, which will include your LED driver and a remote for controlling colors and patterns. Inside the NSub3 box, you'll find the NSub3 smart handle, wall mount brackets and screws, a spare NOAM emblem if you're using the wall mount option, user manual, mounting clamps and inserts. Now let me show you how to hook it up correctly. Before we start, it's important to know that the HS 4.4 amplifier is already preset to get the most out of your system, so we advise to not change the amplifier settings. Connect the red power cable of the HS 4.4 amplifier to the positive 12-volt battery post. Then, run the black ground cable to the negative battery post. The NBC should be connected at the bus bar or at any other non-constant 12-volt source. This is to ensure that the NBC will only see power when the vehicle is turned on. Next, you should connect the HS 4.4 amplifier's blue remote in wire to the NBC's blue remote out wire. As you can see, the NBC has 2 blue remote out wires in case you are using 2 amplifiers. In our case, we're using 1 amplifier, so we'll utilize the other remote out wire to energize the LED driver. Next, we need to hook up the RCA cables between the HS 4.4 amplifier and the NBC Bluetooth controller. The HS 4.4 amplifier has 2 RCA inputs labeled as front channel and rear channel. It also has 2 operation modes, the 2-channel mode and the 4-channel mode. In our setup, we're using the 4-channel mode. The front channel RCAs are in charge of the front channels, the white and gray output. The rear channel RCAs are in charge of the rear channels, the green and purple outputs. The NBC Bluetooth controller has 2 RCA outputs labeled as AMP1 and AMP2. Take the first RCA cable and connect the NBC's AMP1 RCA output to the HS 4.4's front channel RCA input. Take the second RCA cable and connect the NBC's AMP2 RCA output to the HS 4.4's rear channel RCA input. Now take the blue remote wire of the LED driver and connect it to the available blue remote wire of the NBC controller. The HS 4.4 amplifier has 4 channels. The white and gray are the front channels, and the purple and green are the rear channels. The front channels are dedicated to the N5 tower speakers, and the rear channels are dedicated to the NSub3 subwoofer. Let's start by connecting the N5 speakers to the HS 4.4 amplifier. We will connect both N5 speakers to the front channels, one to the white wire channel and one to the gray wire channel. Let's move on to the NSub3 subwoofer. The N-Sub-3 subwoofer will be connected to the purple and green rear channels in a bridged connection, which means the black wire of the N-Sub-3 will be connected to the negative right rear channel output, purple and black wire. The red wire of the N-Sub-3 will be connected to the positive left rear channel output, the green wire. The solid purple and green black wires should remain untouched. Once you've completed these connections, connect all speakers to the LED driver with each black plug that is connected to the speakers. Turn on the NBC Bluetooth controller by pressing the left power button. When the NBC Bluetooth controller is powered on, you should see a blue LED light on the front of your HS 4.4 amplifier, as well as illumination of the LEDs on your speakers. Please note, you may need to turn on your LED driver with the remote for everything to illuminate. If you don't see the light on the amplifier, or the LEDs are not illuminating, please recheck your wiring. Before you go play tunes for the first time, let me show you how to use the NBC Bluetooth controller. The volume knob on the NBC is meant to control the volume of both RCA outputs, AMP1 and AMP2 RCA outputs. Underneath the volume knob, you have the AMP2 volume control buttons. These buttons will allow you to control the volume of the AMP2 RCA output independently. In our setup, AMP2 RCA outputs are connected to the amplifier's rear channel RCA input, which powers up the subwoofer. This means I can control the subwoofer's volume separately. So now I can use the volume knob to set the volume of both RCA outputs, the tower speakers, and the subwoofer to 80%, for example, which is loud enough for me. But if I'm after more bass, I can increase the AMP2 volume to 100% for a perfect sound experience. The NBC volume knob and buttons are designed so each click of the knob or button is equal to 10% of output volume. Make it easy to control while riding. As always, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below or contact us at support@noamaudio.com. Thanks for watching.